Days away from Mother's Day. That's why we called up Karla. She knows what she's doing with the DIY. She's our expert, and we got to look out for the mamas.
You've got to look out for the moms, yes. And kids, I have 2 girls. They love crafting. And as a mom, you want something that's memorable, right? You want something that's made, and the kids love crafting something. So these are crafts for the, I call myself the DIYer for the non-DIYer.
Yeah.
And full disclosure, my husband did all these crafts.
Oh.
I didn't do them.
So parent approved?
I did not do them. He did them. So the first one is, you know, everyone's getting rid of the plastic bags, thank goodness, and carrying around these canvas bags. So got this canvas bag, cost like $5. Got some fabric paint for the canvas bag, and a little doohickey. Not sure what these are.
Little lollipop doohickey.
Little doohickey.
And I'm going to hold up the stencil.
Oh, and a stencil.
How neat is this?
So you could go freehand with that if you wanted to, but I thought the stencil was kind of fun. All you do is stencil that in with the fabric paint, and then you could put the gifts inside here. So I'm not forgetting about that. You know, nice flowers, books, candle, could all be inside here.
Personal touch.
Awesome.
Bringing it to life. Now you brought your kids to life here.
I did.
Adding this.
I did. I love this one. I think this is my favorite because since I became a mom, breakfast in bed has got to happen. So if anyone's not doing that, that's a really nice tradition to do.
Okay.
And serving it on a tray, I think, is super sweet. So I was like, well, how do we make this DIY and personalized? So literally all we did here was printed a picture. This is on regular paper, too. No special paper, home printer, cut out the pictures of my daughters, and you had this varnish. Now you could use like a decoupage or something fancy, but you can get this stuff anywhere. This is like a varnish we had at home. Put varnish on the tray, stuck the picture of the girls on, varnish on top, and there you go.
Those scrambled eggs taste a little better.
Scrambled eggs, and then your mom lifts up the, you know, plate, and there's her kids on there.
2 babies.
Ah, yes.
Okay.
All right, and this one you're doing for your dog, right?
As soon as I saw this, I thought, you know what? No humans yet in the van, no babies, but the paws, yeah.
Okay, because kids seem to love creating jewelry. My girls love, like, it's mom, we got to give her jewelry. So literally, this is clay from the dollar store. My daughters then put their fingerprints on there. So they've got their fingerprints on there, and we baked it for like $2.75 for like 10 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes, and you've got a homemade necklace that's something super personal. So easy, so inexpensive, but I love this one.
That's
it's really
the type
cute.
of bling Mom wants to wear.
Exactly. So I went with a bright color to make it a little more fun.
Okay, another creative way to use the photo here.
Yeah, super. So again, this is a frame I had at home, but you can get anywhere. Bright piece of paper, cut out a little stem, and then a muffin tin, and print out a picture of your kid's head. And you got something super sweet, easy. She could hang in the bedroom, hang on a gallery wall. My kids loved this one. They just thought it was hilarious. Yeah.
Cute. Okay.
And then, yeah,
arts and crafts here.
Well, last but not least, I thought if these are just like, okay, too much, I found this canvas that actually at the back has everything included.
Now, where do you get this? That's pretty sweet.
This I got at Michael's.
Okay.
And it was inexpensive. Like, I think it was about $10, $10, $15.
That's it?
So, yeah. So here, the kids print out a picture on regular paper, put it in there. My daughter painted it up, and again, this would be super cute to add to your gallery wall. And this is easy. So if these are a little too challenging, this is easy. But I hope this just inspires people to get creative and do something memorable, because the kids love it and the moms love it too.
Fun and creative ways to make mom smile. Karla, these were great. Thank you so much.